Hello everyone, this is Joseph Head at Dodge Ram's Commercial Fleet Department. Today I want to go over a 2025 Ram Promaster 1500 low roof 118-inch wheelbase. A lot of customers ask for the smallest cargo van that you can get brand new. This is it. Powered by a 3.6 liter gas V6 engine coupled to a 9-speed automatic transmission. This 118-inch wheelbase cargo van is going to give you 5 feet 6 inches of room from the floor to the ceiling there, and it's going to give you 8 feet of interior cargo room from the back of the seats to where those doors are at. Even though it is a smaller cargo van, it still packs 4,100 pounds of payload capacity. Going through some of your interior features here, I'm gonna highlight what really makes this ProMaster awesome is even though it is a work grade vehicle, it is still equipped like your nicer SUVs. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me and mention stock number B64540 if you have any questions.